are going to be updating you on a huge blizzard going on in Alberta. Okay, so it's snowing.
Hey everyone,
And since it's nighttime, we can't actually show you the snow. It is really bad though. Please do not be the people who are not paying attention on the roads. Gracie, do you have something to say?
No, not really.
Okay, just don't be the people who are drinking and driving and kill other families.
Yeah, you shouldn't. Don't try and be that bad.
And really pay attention for the ice. Like, make sure you have your headlights on at night. And make sure that you don't, please do not leave your headlights off. It's not good because then you can crash into the person in front of you and it looks like this. It's not fun.
Not fun at all.
And just to let you know, we will be updating every, so we won't do it on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, because we have stuff after school and everything. But we will update you on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, Sundays, you know. So, we have something to review. It is Game Shakers. If you watch that show. Okay, so Game Shakers, spoiler alert though, if you don't want to know what happens, please pause the video, go watch that episode, come back to the video, okay? And make sure, okay, so I'm going to warn you one more time. Spoiler alerts. Okay. Double G gets flung out of the slingshot by, what's his name? Robot. Migo. Yes. Into the wall. And his right arm gets like all mushy inside.
Yeah.
They take it off. They send it across the country and they put a robotic arm on.
I have no idea why they would do that.
Like, just take off his arm and leave the robotic one there. Then they bring it back with this wimpy little arm that's probably the same size as a Barbie doll's arm.
True that.
Don't understand why. Like, why wouldn't you just keep the robotic arm instead of having to actually re-strengthen up your arm? Like, much easier, at least in my opinion. What do you think about this, Gracie?
Well, I think it's very strange on why they wouldn't just let him keep the robotic arm. Like, it's strange.
And why do you have to send it across the country to get it fixed? That arm is not going to work when it comes back. It was cut off of your body.
True, and that'd be very painful.
Even if you were asleep.
When you wake up, you'd be screaming your head off.
Yes, and that would really hurt. Okay, so please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell. Oh, and through the kids' eyes with this situation, they're like, why did his arm come back so wimpy? He had such a big muscle arm before.
Yeah.
It blows my mind. And then they go a couple episodes, and then they put his arm back on.
So, remember to hit that like button and subscribe.
And please don't hit anybody else. Just the like button.
Yeah, don't do that.
Not go.
Anyways, bye.
Bye.